The villains are coming to Six Flags Over Georgia in 2020. Feel the lash of Catwoman Whip, a spinning wheel that takes you 7 stories high with your feet dangling in space. Plus, Poison Ivy Toxic Twister, a classic scrambler that puts a new twist on spin in the all-new Gotham City.
That does it for today's adventure. If you're new here, please subscribe. Take it one step further and ring that notification bell. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old like and a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. I'll see you in the next video. Ride on.